Once again, very good morning, students. Welcome to the Fresh New Start. Today, we are going to start with our third chapter, that is our universe. In that, today we will see the Earth. The Earth is the only planet in our solar system to support life. Means the Earth is only planet, means it is the one planet that supports life. It looks blue from space as 70% of its surface is covered with water. When we see Earth from space, it looks blue because its 70% is covered with water. The Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis once, thus causing day and night. Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis, which causes day and night. And this movement of the rotation of Earth on its axis is called rotation. As it rotates, it also revolves around the Sun in its orbit. This movement takes 365 days and is called revolution. So students, the Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis and it takes 365 and 1/4 days to revolve around the Sun. This movement is called revolution. Okay students, now next we will see the Moon. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Moon is the only natural satellite. It is made up of rock and dust. Moon is made up of rock and dust. It takes 27.3 days for the Moon to travel around the Earth. So how much time Moon takes to travel around the Earth? It takes 27.3 days to move around the Earth. So students, the Moon is what? It is the only natural satellite. It is made up of what? It is made up of rock and dust. And it takes 27.3 days to travel around the Earth. Okay student, so see students, there is green box. We will see what will be the answer. Dash, asteroids and comets are small icy objects that orbit the Sun. Which are the icy objects? That are comets. So comet will be answer. Now second, dash, mass, Earth is the only planet to support life. Which planet supports life? That is Earth. So answer will be Earth. Okay students. So now we'll see what are further points in Moon. The Moon does not have any light of its own. It reflects the light of the Sun. Moon doesn't has its own line. The reflection of the Sun is the light of the Moon. It appears to change shape because only the part facing the Sun is bright, the other part is dark and not seen. So students, we know that the shape of the Moon changes. Why it changes? Because the only part of the Moon that is facing the Sun is bright and the other is dark. So we are not able to see that part. That's why we see the change in shape of the Moon. Okay students. So what we saw, that Moon does not has its own light and it reflects upon the light of the Sun. And there is change in shape of the Moon because the part that is facing the Sun is bright, whereas the other part is dark and we are not able to see that part. Okay students, so here we have completed with our point Earth and Moon. Further we will proceed with star. A star is a very hot ball made up of mainly hydrogen and helium gases. What is star made up of? It is made up of hot ball, hydrogen and helium gases. Some big stars explode in a massive bright light. This explosion of a star is called supernova. What it is called? It is called supernova. Some supernovas turn into black holes. See student, here is the image of a black hole. Are you able to see? Yeah, see that there is an image of black hole. A group of stars that form a pattern is called a constellation. So now what is constellation? A constellation is a group of stars that form a pattern. The North Star or the Polaris is the only star that remains in almost the same spot in the north sky. For centuries, people have been using this star to guide them. So students, the North Star or the Polaris is the only star. It is the only one star that remains in the same spot. Means it has same position in the north sky. And people use that star to guide them. Okay students, so here we saw that star is a very hot ball. It is made up of hydrogen and helium gases. So students, with this we have done with our third chapter. We will just recall. See students, there are 3 points: our universe, galaxy, the solar system. Our universe, in that we saw stars, clouds, galaxies and life. In galaxy we saw Andromeda galaxy, Milky Way galaxy and many other galaxies. The solar system, in that we saw the sun, the planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and their moons. We also saw asteroids, meteoroids, comets. Okay students, we have completed with our third chapter. Now further we'll continue in next session. Okay.